Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's breakout toward 115,000, Bitcoin has been working to build a solid base in that area. After reaching a local high around 116.3 thousand and facing rejection there, the price made another attempt at the 115.5 thousand level, but got turned down slightly lower. It also lost the 1-hour 21 EMA support it had been holding and is now sitting near the 50 EMA, potentially finding a bottom around 114,000. This is perfectly normal price behavior. A rejection after a 4% upward move is nothing unusual. The key point is that Bitcoin remains above the last red liquidity box, which was cleared between Sunday and Monday, and helped propel the move higher. Overall, the structure still looks healthy from a constructive standpoint. I continue to hold my existing long exposure. Even the well-known large wallet, from some reported as a delta-neutral trader, has reportedly restacked a position worth around $230 million at roughly 114.4 thousand. For now, me personally, I'm waiting for confirmation that a local bottom has formed before adding more exposure for the next upward move. Where that could be is coming later after studying the heat maps, so keep on watching. Let's look at a chart comparing Bitcoin's weekend behavior. It highlights how the most recent weekend's price action compares to previous ones. The gray lines represent earlier weekends, most of which moved flat or sideways. The red line, representing this past weekend, stands out sharply, showing a strong and consistent upward trend. It was actually the best weekend performance in about 16 weeks. Now turning to the heat maps. The 1-month heat map had been signaling the 116,000 level since mid-October, and that target was just reached with the latest move to 116.3 thousand. The next warm zone now sits between 116.4 and 120,000. Zooming into the daily view, we still see new long interest forming down to around 113,000 in the short term. Could we see a brief dip to sweep that area before another push toward 116,000? It's possible. I may consider placing conditional entries around these levels if price pulls back further. A deeper correction toward 113,000 would take us back to the same zone touched during the Sunday to Monday rally, when Bitcoin briefly dipped before launching higher again. Now, checking the latest Bitcoin spot ETF inflows, Monday's numbers were once again strong. After Thursday's inflow of roughly 20 million and Friday's 90 million, Monday closed with a significant 149 million added. This steady pattern reflects growing institutional confidence, with the latest push driven primarily by BlackRock and ARK, while many smaller participants have yet to step in. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. If you got value from this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.